Okay, I went ahead and got me a log and hosed it off. I got me a feed-in tray, and I put a bunch of rocks in it, and I'm going to clean this up, and I'm going to put water in this so the bees could go ahead and land on the rocks and drink the water. But I'm going to try to put this in here so it has a little bit of shade during the day, right in here somewhere. Okay, so this is what this looks like. It's on a nice piece of oak. Pretty sturdy right in here. I'm going to go get some water, and I'm going to wash this out, put some twigs and stuff in it so the bees have a place to land and drink and get hydrated, because they fly in from a long ways out. Okay, I got some clippers. I got some branches, I got some chips, all fresh, and I got some water. I'm going to go ahead and hose this off. Stuff's floating out to the top. I'll just dump it. Just want to make sure it's all clean water. Okay, that looks clean. This is well water. It's sulfur water, so there's no chlorine in it. I'm going to fill up these rocks a little bit. Put this down. And I got some different twigs. I'm just going to put this in here. Cut this one up. These are just so the bees have a place to land. And there's twigs sticking up differently so they could get down where they want. Okay. Hose off some wood, some chips. Now these chips are going to suck up moisture. It's freshly cut chips that I just got from my chip pile. Okay, so I'll put some of this around in different areas like this. Okay, a little bit more water. Wet those up good. Okay. So what I'll go ahead and do, there's water here. The bees come in, they could land on the wood and they could drink some water. This will evaporate a little bit, take a little bit out. So the bees could land on here. There's moisture on this. They'll drink some water and they should be happy over here. I'm going to drill a hole here so it doesn't fill up too much. I'll get my drill. And then I'm going to take a tube with a gallon an hour, so when I water each day, this fills up with water. So it'll be a constant level, just about like this, of fresh water daily when I water. And then this won't evaporate totally. And the birds will land on here and drink too, but there should, I'm hoping, attract more pollinators, and there's water here. They'll be happier and they'll be drinking out of it and they'll be pollinating, and they won't like get pollen, be thirsty and fly away. We'll see what happens. So anyway, this is a bee water feeder, I think you would call it. It's also for the birds to drink a little water. I got birds around. Anyway, I put it on a nice log. I'm keeping the earth tone garden rustic look. Tell me what you think. Hopefully you like it. Maybe you've done something like this at home. Take a picture, post it. We want to see it. We want to hear about it. We want to know your results. Anyway, hope you enjoyed.